Yo, what's good, guys? Today I'm gonna show you three faceless niches that are actually printing money right now without any BS. So let's just get right into it. So the first channel is Sleepy Science channel. This top video has 2.2 million views, which is kind of crazy for a literal 2-hour vid. And if you click into it, it's literally just AI generated visuals with a calm voiceover reading facts about astronomy. That's the whole thing. And every video is over 2 hours long, so the money they make is insane. So with the views this channel is pulling and the long durations of each video, they're easily clearing 15 to 20 grand a month. And to make it, you just generate the visuals in Midjourney, write a script on facts about astronomy, slap an 11 Labs voice on it, and put it together in CapCut. Next channel is Black Files. Look at these top 3 videos. 2.2 million, 2.2 million, 2.1 million views. Crazy. It's basically a channel like Fern, but it uses AI. And also, people are genuinely obsessed with this stuff, so they just watch the whole thing. And with 432K subs and that kind of view count, they're easily making $20,000 to $25,000 a month. And to make it, you find a real story, write a script around it with AI, generate the visuals in Midjourney, and add an 11 Labs voice on top. Done. Last one is Mind Companion. 49K subs, but that top video has 867K views. It's brain exercises, habits, productivity stuff, and the self-improvement audience is one of the most loyal on YouTube, so the watch time on these is really good. And it is literally just AI stickman images with a voiceover and simple edits. Honestly, nothing crazy at all. With 53 videos and those numbers, they're easily with 53 videos and those numbers, they are easily clearing 15 to 20 grand in total. That's all, and if you want more Nobius vids like this, subscribe. Peace.